Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today, I'm back. I'm back. For how long? Who knows? But we'll see what happens. So if you've been paying attention to YouTube or my channel at all, which I know I haven't been on for a while, but I did make a post, a couple posts now, and if you did see, there was the pictures of the Vikings that had me tied up and threatening to kick my butt if I didn't make them a long house and give them a shave and a haircut. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
I ain't getting any younger here.
I know. Just give me a minute. I have to talk to my subscribers. I gotta let them know what's going on. And then I'll get to your shave and a haircut, guys. Just chill, man. Give me a minute. Well, let me get to it before I get beat up again. As you guys can tell, I'm going with a whole new format. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with this with everything, but we're gonna give this a try and see how well this works out. I have no clue if this is going to work at all or not. So, anyways, we got our Vikings here, and they're not too happy with me right now. But we are going to get the old hot glue gun started up because I am going to put them on just some medicine bottles. And all I've done is throw some stones that I've collected, put them in there for some weight, keep the bases from falling, or keep them from falling over and falling off. And we're just going to super glue these bad boys to these and go from there. So let me get my open knife out. So I'm just trying to decide which one of you are gonna be first. Do I have to go Negan all over you guys, or do I just pick one of you? You know what, we're gonna go with blue. That's what we're gonna do. So all I'm gonna do here is just take my knife and just try to get rid of this excess plastic that's on there. That's not supposed to be on there. That's the flashing on there. So I'm just gonna slowly trim this off. Now these figures that I did get, I got them a couple years ago. There was somebody on the tabletop crafting or crafting guild channel way back when Scotty was still in charge of it, I think. And somebody was selling these, and I think they came from overseas, if I'm correct. I can't remember correctly. I got them from there, and I think they were really, really cheap at the time. I think they're a little bit bigger, or maybe just a little bit smaller than a normal mini, but they work. It does a job. It ain't anything special. So I'm just cleaning them up a bit.
Hey, watch it there.
Hey, you stop it. I don't care what you're crying about. Keep it up and I won't even paint you. But we're just gonna clean this up a bit, best we can. I'm not very good at this, I'll admit. This is something kind of new to me. Painting minis too, I'm not very good at. I do what I can, the best I can, and that's all I can do. You just learn from your mistakes, and you know, just learn from that. I watch a lot of YouTube videos too. I watch some tutorials. It's been a while since I've actually watched any painting tutorials. I might have to get back to it if I'm going to be sitting here painting minis.
Hey, that's my hand.
But I swear I won't cut your hand off, okay? I won't do it. It won't happen. So I will probably just do a lapse video of this because, hey, who wants to sit here and watch me do this for a little while, right?
Ha ha ha!
You guys look good. You look good, guys. I swear, I'm not tarring feathering you. I swear, there's no feathers anywhere. I swear.